What's going on? What's going on? Not yet, Chris. We're fixing to find out. Saludos, saludos, Alexis. Yeah, guys, we're gonna give it a little bit of time to see who else joins, to see who wins the second ATV giveaway, guys. And as you can tell right here, let me turn this bad boy around. We got the dice ready, and we're gonna do the same thing, guys. We're gonna do the Excel spreadsheet on the shuffle, and like I said, like that, there's no funny business, no nothing. And we're gonna roll the dice. What we say, MC? We're gonna roll it 3 times. Whatever it lands on, she's gonna shuffle. If it lands on 4, she's gonna shuffle 4 times, and MC do it slow so everybody can see how it shuffles. And then the last one, whoever wins, is gonna be 1 through 6. So whatever I roll, you know what I mean? Like right there, 3, number 3 would have won, right? But so we're gonna go ahead and do it that way. Yeah. How do I enter the giveaway? All right, the giveaway, guys, it ended, like I said, to be able to enter, and it was any order. If you place any order on the website, all you had to do is put give back on the code, and you would have been entered to win, guys. And but yeah, that was that, you know, at the end of March, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy rolling. Got the girls ready. MC, you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, MC is ready. So like I said, there's the shuffle button, and we're gonna go roll the first dice, guys. All right, we're gonna roll the first dice. How many times it shuffles? Like I said, we're gonna roll it 3 times, and then the last time is whoever wins, 1 through 6. Bam. MC, that's a number 1. So shuffle it 1 time. All right, she shuffled it 1 time. Here goes the second roll. All right. That is 5 times, MC. Do it nice and slow though. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, guys. This is for the last shuffle. Here it goes. Bam. That is a 2. So nice and slow, MC.
1, 2.
All right then, guys. The only people that can win is order number 1 through 6. That's it, guys. 1 through 6. If you're on here, look at it. That's your order number 1 through 6. So I'm gonna roll it. Whatever it lands on. If it lands on 2, number 2 wins. If it lands on 1, number 1 wins. And once again, if you're out there, write the orders down 1 through 6. Yeah, got it? Big James, thanks for joining, Big James. How's it going? All right then, guys, I got it 1 through 6. All right, there it goes, guys. Good luck, good luck. And that's the way we do it here at Pioneers Cloud, guys. Excel spreadsheet on the shuffle and dice. There's no funny business here, guys. All righty, well, here it goes. And like I said, good luck, good luck. Thanks for everybody that participated. Bam. Number 3. Wale, you ready?
Yes.
Order number 135 277.
135 277.
135 277.
Okay, hold on.
Let me know when you're ready. Ready?
Cover up the address.
All right. MC. Bam. Tell everybody hi, MC.
Hello.
Let's see. All right.
So the
What was it? 135.
277.
135 277. And number 3. 135 277. All right.
And this person ordered a decal, Real Recognize Real Decal. There's the give back.
There's a discount give back.
And the winner is Mr. Felipe Jimenez.
Felipe Jimenez, and he's ordered 3 times from us. He doesn't have a phone number on file, or he does?
Let me look, but don't. He sure doesn't.
Man.
He has an email. Let me check on the other orders.
All right, check on the other orders. All right. Well, guys, if anybody, Felipe Jimenez,
here
yep,
it
he
is.
does have a phone number. Go ahead and call him, vale.
Okay, hold on.
And where's he from?
Houston.
What? Houston, Texas.
Hold on.
Yeah, just hide that address, but all right then, guys. Well, Felipe Jimenez. Well, I might be personally dropping this bad boy off to you guys. And like I said, this he won and he's out of Houston, Texas. Let's see. Hopefully he answers. Landon Owens, thank you for wearing our hood and your welding school, buddy.
Please leave your message for
Go ahead.
28178.
All right, guys, we're gonna call him again. Let's see if he answers. If anybody knows him, Felipe Jimenez, out of Houston.
Let me send him a quick text. He said, who is this?
Did he?
Let me text him.
Cover the number. Man. What he put?
Who's this?
Go ahead, see what he say. Yeah. Let's see if he knows what it's about. He might be at work, maybe that's why he didn't answer.
He was typing, but it went away.
Let's see, fellas. But yeah, like I said, right now, the next giveaway we got is the welding machine, guys. And if you don't know, MC, go ahead and get on the website so we can show real quick how to get on that. Say, answer your phone. You just won.
I can't type like that.
All right. Well, while she does that, MC, show them how to go to the welding. This is for our giveaway for the welding machine giveaway. You go up top, guys. This is our fourth. So anything on here, you will anything. I'm saying a dollar spin is an entry. You know what I mean? So that one, $20. Bam.
All right. He said no way. So I'm gonna give him a call.
Yeah, give him a call. This.
Hold on. Okay.
Yeah, hello?
Yes, Felipe.
Yeah, this is Felipe.
Hey, how's it going? This is Manuel with Pipeliners Cloud.
What's up, man?
Oh, not much right here. Give me a holler. I guess you weren't on Instagram Live today, huh?
Nah, man, I'm working night shift right now. I'm actually on my way to work right now.
Yeah.
I haven't been on social media.
Yeah. Hey, well, just to give you a heads up, you're live right now on Instagram. You wanna?
What the?
Yeah. You wanna give anybody a shout out?
Man, I don't know. I don't even know why. They said I won something. I don't even remember what was on the raffle.
yeah. We're doing a 4-wheeler.
A what?
Yeah, an ATV.
No shit.
Yeah. And you bought something on
The decal.
a decal on March 11th.
Real Recognize
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember I had bought it.
Yeah. And so you put give back. So yeah, but hey man, congratulations.
Man, that's crazy. Ain't no way.
Yeah, no.
And you're from Houston too, so that's
Yeah,
awesome.
you're the first. We've done welding machine giveaways and ATVs before, and it's always been pretty far. You know what I'm saying? But hey,
Yeah.
we kept it here in Texas. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Man, y'all made my whole night.
Yeah.
Aw.
Hey, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you know that's awesome, man. Like I said, man, thanks for even though you forgot about it or whatnot. But hey, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you've ordered from
Yeah,
us
for
3
sure.
times.
Yep, we see that you've ordered from us 3 times and stuff, and man, we really do appreciate, you know what I'm saying? The
Oh yeah, man, I love the welding cast, man. That's all I always get, just pipeliner clubs.
oh yeah, yes sir. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna give you a holler. Or when do you get out in the morning?
I get off of work I get off at 6:30
Okay.
right now, so I'm on 7/12.
Yeah.
I don't get my fatigue day till I think next Saturday, if I'm not mistaken.
10-4. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me.
I can see if I can make it work. We'll stay in contact, and I'll see how we can work around it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna text you my personal number, and just whenever you're ready, give me a holler. And I know next weekend I'm gonna be out of town and stuff, but
Okay.
yeah, just give me a holler unless you want me to. One morning, just when you get off, I'm there at your property. We'll offload that bad boy. And yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
that sounds great, man. Yeah, we'll be in touch.
Okay, we'll
All
go.
right, thanks a lot, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Felipe,
Congratulations.
and congratulations one more time.
Thank y'all so much, man.
Oh,
God
yeah.
bless all of y'all.
Yes, sir.
You
God
too.
bless you
Thank
too.
you.
You be good. Yes, sir.
All right.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye. And there you have it, guys. Felipe, you know what I'm saying? Like he said, we made his night, and like I said, man, thank you for everyone that participated, guys. And like I said, right now we have the welding machine giveaway still going, and I don't know, we're gonna keep on holding 2 giveaways at the same time. I know it caused a little bit of confusion, but we're gonna go ahead and like I said, right now finish up that welding machine giveaway, and only here at Pipeliners Cloud, guys. Y'all have a good one. Check us out at pipelinerscloud.com. Real products by
Real welders.
Woo-wee. Have a good one, guys.